Hi guys, what's up? This is Kushi. I hope you guys are safe and doing absolutely great. So today's video is going to be about how to treat the acne marks that you have on your skin, or basically how to get rid of the acne marks of your skin. So basically it's a 7 days challenge. So it's going to be a little long video because we have two processes, I mean not two, exactly three processes to be going through it. So you just have to watch it till the end to know the secret of the marks that I got rid of. So yeah, so a little brief about it. So before starting all the taking care of your skin or doing a lot of skincare, you need to first clear off the dead skin cells that you have in your skin. This is a very important point. If the dead cells still remain in your skin and you slap a lot of skincare onto it, that is going to do nothing with your skin. That dead skin cell will provoke another part of your face to break out and bring out acne on your skin. So it is very very important to treat the scars on your skin. So a lot of you requested for this video, so there you go. Also, one thing I wanted to clear, I got many request pending messages saying that खुद तो मेकअप लगा के आ जाते हो and then you show us DIY how to take care of your skin. So I thought ये question में भी बहुत लोगों के दिमाग में आता होगा that I put up slap a lot of makeup and come on the screen. Guys, I definitely love makeup. I love a lot of makeup, and makeup videos are also gonna come soon, so stay tuned for that. But coming here, I never apply makeup. If it's a DIY video, I am sure that I do not apply makeup because I am going to try the mask with all of you guys. So I thought, why not give you a test that I have nothing on my face. So I am just going to use the Garnier Micellar cleansing water on my face. I'm gonna take a cotton pad and I am going to put this onto this. You guys can see I have the water on my this, and I'm just now going to clean my face in front of you guys. You guys can see this. I have nothing on my face. If I say that I am telling you about all the remedies, these are the remedies that I have tried and it has worked on my face, and then is the time that I show you. There is absolutely nothing on my face. You guys can see this, there is nothing on my face, but still if you think that is something, I cannot help it because I showed you proof that I have absolutely nothing on my face. So yeah, but for the people who love me, I love you more. So yeah, let's go to my kitchen because in this video we need to boil out of some things and get into the kitchen. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just get into my kitchen. Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen again. Please ignore the mess. बार बार हर वीडियो में नहीं बोलूँगी, ठीक है? कमेंट मत करना कितना गंदा है आपका किचन, प्लीज़ मत करना. So I'll show you just the ingredients that you need for this. I'm so sorry, my voice is really breaking out very bad. So yeah, I'll show you the ingredients. So guys, these are the ingredients. So we are gonna be making three things today. One is the face toner, the other is the face mask, and the third is the face scrub. Okay, so for the toner you need our neem leaves. So now this neem leaves are something that I got from my society में झाड़ है नीम का. इतनी मेहनत की है ना नीम के झाड़ के ऊपर से पत्ते उतारने के लिए. अगर इतनी मेहनत बोर्ड्स में की रहती तो 95 पक्का आ जाता. Anyways, so this is a half cup of water and half cup of water, and this is half cup of rose water, and this is a spray bottle in which we are going to put the toner. So I'll show you the other ingredients when you make the other ingredients. For first thing we are going to do this. Now I'm just gonna take out the leaves and put it in this tapila or whatever you guys say it, and then add the water to it. Guys, as you can see, I have just added the patta to it. Now I'm just going to on the gas and then put this water into the tapila and I'll let it boil. Okay. So guys, this is done. I guess it is boiled nicely. So I will just put off the flame, and then I will put the strainer and just strain this filter. और प्लीज़ अगर कोई लड़के लोग मेरी वीडियो देख रहे हैं और लड़कियां भी है ऐसी जिनने अपने घर पे कोई काम नहीं किया है और ये पैक बनाने के लिए पहली बार किचन में आई है, तो प्लीज़ अपने किसी घर के बड़े की हेल्प ले लेना, वरना तुम्हारी माँ और तुम्हारे पापा तो मेरे घर ढूंढ के मेरे घर पहुंच जाएंगे कि ये हमारी बेटी को क्या नया सिखा दिया. So this is the result that we get. So you should get this color, so that this proves that the neem is completely dissolved in the water. Now we are just gonna keep it aside to get it cool for some time. Till then I'll just show you how are you supposed to make the face pack. So let's just get on to the face pack. So these are some fresh neem leaves, and this is curd, and this is flour. Now this is rice flour. You can also use maida if you don't have rice flour, you can do it. Now I am just going to break this into small pieces and put it in the bowl. Okay, so this is done. I have just added the neem to it. Now I'm going to add the dahi and then the rice flour. And mix it very nicely with the spoon. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take the blender and just for just 1 second, don't do it for too long. And this is done. So this is how the face pack should look like. Can you see? It's in a very liquid form, so it would be easy to apply it on your face. I just uses the blender for 1 second to just whisk it down to a little bit of a battery texture, So yeah, this is done. And now we are just gonna make the toner. So because first we're gonna need the toner, we need to apply the toner and then apply this on your face. So let's get quickly to the toner. So our neem water is just dried up, like it's a lukewarm now. So we are just going to add the rose water to it. Add the rose water accordingly as much as you think. I've just added accordingly as much as I think that the rose water should be there into it. So this is just done, and we're just now going to fill this in this bottle. So guys, we're just done with the kitchen part now. Now is the part when you need to apply all those things. So now first up we are going to start with the toner. I filled the toner in the bottle. I'm just going to shake it. This is how it looks like, and I'm just going to apply it on my face. You are supposed to apply a thin layer of it, like you should feel wet on your face. This is when you should apply a toner, and make sure that you use this bottle for the next 7 days, and I think for the next 7 days this much toner should be enough. So as you guys can see, my face is pretty much dabbly wet. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take this and again mix it nicely and wait for this to dry a little bit. So you can see this is pretty much dried, I feel. So now I am just going to take the face pack and apply it all over my face, a good layer of it all over my face. So I've just applied a good layer of it on my face. Sorry, I look weird, but अब इसकी आदत डालनी पड़ेगी क्योंकि हर DIY में मेरी शक्ल कुछ अलग कलर की दिखने वाली, तो आपको उसकी आदत डालनी पड़ेगी. So I guess this is pretty much, you should add a good layer of it. Now let it dry for 20 to 25 minutes. Get it dry as much as it, I think you understand till now. So as much you can dry it, let it just dry, and I'll come here when it is all dried. So guys, 25 minutes are done leaving this on my face. Now I'm just going to use the same toner again. I'm just going to spray it. And then I'm going to rub this nicely. Guys, I know it's a very long process, but then you need to take off the dead cells from your skin and it's very important. And बस 7 दिन की बात है, in 7 days I'm sure that आपके सारे skin patches, जो भी acne marks है वो सब निकल जाएंगे. And I'm just going to go and quickly wash off my face and come back here. So I just went and washed off my skin. Can you see that? It took out all the pigmentation on my skin and brought out the bright shine on my face. I wasn't expecting the shine, I was just only expecting the pimple marks to go off. But then this brought a little bit of shine to my face and I think that's pretty much awesome. So the next step to this that we are going to do is we are going to take a aloo. So I just sliced out one piece of the aloo. You need to use only one aloo for the 7 days. You have to cut small slices for it. And for the next 7 days, you need to just use one aloo. Now I'm going to take this aloo and I'm going to put some stripes on this. So I'll tell you. You can see that? The juice of the aloo comes out because of this. I'm just going to rub this on my skin. Don't go very harsh on your skin, guys. Use it very softly with your hands. Also guys, I forgot to tell you one more thing. Those who have oily or combination skin, they cannot they can switch from dahi to like milk or water. That is the only substitute for oily skin. I cannot do anything. But then I don't think that this will turn your face oily, but then still if you think that this will, so you can use milk or water as a substitute of dahi. Now this is done. Now I'm just going to add the toner again on it. So I'll tell you the timings. The toner is supposed to be put on your skin as soon as you wake up. Brush your teeth, wash your face with plain water and then apply this toner. And the mask is supposed to be applied in the afternoon or max to max sham tak you need to apply it. And then immediately after the mask you're supposed to rub the potato on your face and then this toner sham ko bhi. And before sleeping you need to put this toner on and then sleep, which is compulsory for the next 7 days. So I'm again repeating, in the morning you need to use the toner, then in the afternoon or max to max at the evening you need to use the face mask. You need to remove the face mask with the toner and then you need to apply the potato juice on your face, rub it nicely, and then you are supposed to add this toner after the potato face, and then you are just supposed to slowly dab your face. You're not supposed to rub your face, you're slowly supposed to dab your face. You're not supposed to even wash it, you're just supposed to dab your face after you apply the potato and the toner. And before sleeping you are supposed to again apply the toner and sleep. Okay, if you think that the potato juice you're getting some irritation on your skin, if you have a sensitive skin you may get a irritation, but it's my guarantee that this will not harm your skin at all because neem is a purifier to your body and to your face. So you just need to if you think that the potato juice is being very sticky to your face, you can just go and wash off your face with cold water and just dab your skin. I'm again and again repeating, guys, this is very important that you don't rub your skin, otherwise your face can your face can face a lot of harsh scratches on your face, which will turn out to be really bad. So guys, don't do it. Also guys, yesterday I just put up a video, I mean not a video, I mean a suggestion box where you guys suggest me that what IGTVs do you want. I got many recommendations, that is food videos, dance videos, nail art video. I don't know why you guys are supposed to love my nails so much, but then guys, I just want to tell you that I am not a pro into anything. If I like something, I just go in and into it and make sure that I do all the research on it. That is everything that I am doing. I just research about things and let you guys know. I felt really good the way you guys commented in the suggestion box that you want such videos. Trust me guys, I have a book where I have noted down all your suggestions, and don't worry, if I say I'll do it, I'll definitely do it. Please give me some time guys. Makeup videos and dance videos will take a little time because it's lockdown and I need to choreograph, I need to film it. So I want to give my best shot to it. So definitely they're coming, but I don't know when, but I'm promising you they'll definitely come. थोड़ा IGTV मुझे एक्सपीरियंस तो करना है, तो बिकॉज आई एम नॉट अ रियली प्रो इन एडिटिंग. आई जस्ट एडिट हाउ मच आई अंडरस्टैंड टू एडिट, बट देन या आई डू इट फॉर you guys because you guys ask me to do it. So yeah, I'll see you next time. Until then, bye.